to have your food, you can do it. You can delay the entertainment part, going for a movie. आज वक्त नहीं है तो कल चले जाएंगे, परसों चले जाएंगे, सीडी लेके देख लेंगे. Okay? Hobbies, you can delay it. Okay? Praying, you need to do it. क्योंकि आपको करना है. पैसा देके मैं दूसरे से नहीं करा सकता हूँ. Okay? I cannot stay fit by paying somebody else. Okay? Traveling, if you have to do it, you have to do it. School, you can delegate. Social work. Okay? If you want to do it or delay it. Or if you want, what you can do it? Laugh. You have to do it yourself. Okay? Bills, fight. I will leave the fight out, please. Whoever the gentleman is. Bills, you can delegate or delay. You know, as you said, 13th I have to pay and why worry about it? But you can start from the first planning. Okay, one of these days I'll find time to pay the bill. Nowadays you can do it even online. Okay? Banking work.
Online.
Or delay it. 2 दिन के बाद, 3 दिन के बाद. If it's not very urgent. Okay? Pleasing the spouse, please don't delay it. Don't delegate it. Absolutely don't delegate pleasing your spouse. Okay? So you have to do it. Please, 3 times you should not delay pleasing your spouse. One is the anniversary, one is the birthday, and one is the children's birthday. I've learnt it with experience. After that I've never forgotten. Nowadays it is helping me. The mobiles help me out because they remind me 3 days in advance. Birthday coming. Birthday coming. Okay? And when they forget my birthday, they say, you're old, why you want to celebrate? So it's either way. But we have to do it pleasing the spouse. Now what has been left? Bills, PTA meeting, you can tell your wife to go, your sister-in-law to go, anyone to go, because PTA meeting you can always delegate it. Okay, so we write 1, 2, 3, 4. So PTA meeting, number 2. Bills, number 2. Banking, number 3. Okay, entertainment, number 3. Okay, hobbies, you can totally delete it if you wish to, or delay it. Okay, society work, you are not bound to do it, delay it or delete it. Okay, once you learn to do this, once you learn to do that, you have that small, 12 ना 2 रुपए का डायरी हो गया अभी तो, जो बीडी वाले क्या मिलता. Keep on writing work which are pending, and then you will realize that you got 10 items written, the next day another 10, then you realize that 7 you completed on page 1, 3 are still pending. And when you write the date, you realize that this 3 has been pending for a long time. And what are those things which can be delayed, like going for a movie, okay, doing something, going and buying clothes, doing shopping for yourself. All these are small things but important things. So once you can get these into do it, delegate, delay and delete it, your life will become less stressful. Trust me, I do that. I have been traveling now by bus or by train, never using the car, because car I need to drive 2.5 hours to go, 2.5 hours sometime to come to colleges, and I can't even prepare my notes. A lot of my work I do it on the phone now. A lot of the work I do it on my laptop. I finish my work because that 3 hours of journey is a lot of work. As you say, I also do my work while traveling. And less stress. Very much a less stress. What I am trying to tell you is, time management is a 70% solution for controlling your stress. Now we're going to go through and run through time management. Okay? It is something that helps you to develop. What does time management do? What are the benefits of time management? What are the benefits of time management? That is it. You can plan. You know something very, very well said. It just remind me that time flies. Bad news. Time flies. Agree? You know the good news? You are the pilot. You can control that flight. It is flying, you are the pilot. Okay? Keeping this in mind, we will work on time management to get rid of that stress. Your 70% and above, your stress be controlled if you have things on time. Benefit of time management. 1, as he said. 2nd, what does it improve? What does you, when you do things on time? You are more relaxed. Exactly. What else? You become self-confidence. What else? You become disciplined. Very good. You become disciplined. And when you're disciplined, what happens? Your efficiency improves. Self-confidence, efficiency improves. You become efficient. You become successful. When she called me up last night, she said, can we meet? I said 2:30. I knew I was talking to someone who is very particular on time. Trust me, I think I was also there at 2:29 or 2:30. Because the voice sounded of that confident that I will be there at 2:30 or before. Now, you have to identify, time will give you this benefit. We come back to the most important thing. If you do things on time, you become healthy. And incomplete work gives you sleepless nights. But if you have been successful, what you set out to do. I have a colleague of mine, this morning I was sitting down, he said, sir, I gave a lot of thought over the weekend. I said, what have you given a thought? He said, I'm going to grow up. He's a kid, 22-year-old. I said, what do you mean by growing up? Whether you like it or not, you're still growing. So that time is not waiting for you to grow or not to grow. Or you want to grow, you grow. He said, no, I will do 50 things, I'll jot down and I'll complete 50 things. So I told him, you do one thing. Here it's 10 o'clock, I'm here till 1 o'clock. From 10 to 1, write 5 things you will complete and come back to me. So he wrote down 5 things, he left that thing on my desk. I called him at 1, I said, have you done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? He said, no sir, nothing I have done. So why do you write 50 things down when you're not even going to do 5 things? Write down things which you have to do, which you can delegate it, which you can delay it, which you can delete it. Okay? So it keeps you healthy. This is going to be interesting. What are the obstacles in time management? Who are the people who will not let you do work on your time? I agree 100% with him. You are responsible for your own bad time management. 1. But there are other outside forces. Okay? 1 is laziness, self-goal. Okay? Everything is self. Okay? You are the pilot. But there are other obstacles. Okay? You need to overcome that. Unclear objectives. Very unclear objectives. You ask a child today, okay? He is very clear in what the child wants to do. But something that you asked me 40 years ago, we were not engineer banega ya to doctor banega. But today, you ask a child, he's a computer engineer in JavaScript. He is specific. This is goal setting, unclear objective. In the morning, if I have to travel, and then I say, yaar, yahan se bhi jaunga, udhar se bhi jaunga, unclear objective is always going to delay me. Second, what do you think is that? Disorganization. How many times, please put your hand across into your heart and say to yourself, how many times the due date comes and you're searching for the bill? We have this problem of insurance. वो एजेंट फोन करता है, साहब 22 तारीख ड्यू डेट है. अरे यार वो पेपर किधर रख दिया मुझे मालूम नहीं. We at home have a ठेला. जो भी बिल आए ठेले पे डालो. बोले वो एक ठेला निकालने का, and then you 7 or 8 bills or 10 bills in a month is easier to find than you putting it in some file or something or the other. Once that is paid, it is filed. But uncleared bills, it goes in there. Whether it is milkman, newspaper man, insurance, electric bill, telephone bill, mobile bill, your children's mobile bill, all goes into that thela. Lovely thela, and it goes in there. Uska nikala, उसको दे दिया. Same way you can do that in your office. Do it, delegate it, delay it, and delete it. Once, if you are organized, you make 4 files. This work I'm going to delegate. This work I can keep it pending. This work I will do today, and this work forget it, delete it. Not important. Somebody wants an appointment, you don't want to give it, delete it. If you organize yourself, very less stress. One of the most important obstacles, inability to say no. She called up, I would like to meet you at 2:30. I could have always said, ma'am, I'll only be there by 3:30. I could have said no. I had the right to say no. But because I had the time, I said, if she's going to take the trouble, also coming from Andheri to meet me here, why should I say no? So I said yes. I like to meet the person, what is it, and discuss it and work it out. But if I was really tied down, and if I was really busy, then I could have said, ma'am, I'm sorry, give me your address, I'll come home and discuss it with you. You must learn to say no. Many a times, you make a commitment, trust me, put your hand in your heart, and you make a commitment to your friend, acha sham ko milte hain. Your relation calls up, and you call up a relation, are you coming on Sunday? You'll say, yes, I will try to make it. That commitment, and then you have a society commitment, your relation commitment, your friends commitment, and so many commitments, and then you don't know what to do. And then you say, yaar, I'm so busy and I'm so worked up and I'm so stressed out. Wahan jana, yahan jana, wahan jana. And trust me, you could have avoided all the 4 days. You could have avoided all the 4 people. Barabar? These are the things that will help you in the day you learn to say no, the day you learn to say no even to your wife, please sir, to your spouse, okay, you will be a happy man. You're still happy. I'm glad. We'll have a lecture on how to stay. Obstacles on effective time management. What are these interruptions? You're in the middle of something, the phone call comes in. You're in the office, the phone disturbs you. You're in the middle of something, even now the mobile. And the worst thing about the mobile is, in the earlier days, when you called my home up, you never asked me, where are you? मालूम है घर पे. अभी तो मोबाइल पे फोन करता है, first 1 minute go, किधर है? अरे ट्रेन में. किधर ट्रेन में? अरे between Churchgate and where are you going? He said Churchgate to Dadar. So he said, where are you going? I mean, I'm going from Churchgate to Dadar or Dadar to Churchgate. He even wants to know that. अच्छा but I'm going towards Churchgate. क्यों क्या आ रहा है? तू क्यों बॉम्बे आ रहा है? अरे तेरे को काम क्या है वो बोलना है यार, खत्म करना है. But when a guy called up at home, he said, अच्छा boss, तू घर पे ही है ना, मैं आ रहा हूँ. Between 4 to 6 or whatever it is. But these are the interruptions. If average you're talking 1 hour on the phone, trust me, 45 minutes is waste of time. Pure waste of time. Mobile is for your wife to find out where you are and for you to find out where your wife is. Okay? It's very unfortunate.